How are you? I am fine. How is your family? How is your family? Everyone is good. How about your work? How about your work? It's going well. It's going well. How do you know me? How do you know me? I have seen you in my village. I have seen you in my village. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. Where are you coming from? I am coming from the market. I am coming from the market. Do you know me? Do you know me? Yes, I know you. No. Are you ill? Yes, I am having fever. No, I am fine. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where were you? I was in Delhi. How old are you? I am 25 years old. When did you come? I came yesterday. What's up these days? Nothing special, as usual. Where do you live? I live in Kolkata. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from West Bengal. What do you want? I want a mobile. What do you like? I like to read books. I like to read books. What do you do? I am a student. I am a doctor. I work in a bank. What is the problem? There is no problem. None of your business. None of your business. Is everything okay? Yes, absolutely fine. How was your day? Not so good. Not so good. It was fine. Do you need any help? Yes, please help. No, thanks. How are you feeling now? I am feeling better. Not so good. Who is that fellow? He is my father. She is my sister. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? I would like to have tea. I would like to have tea. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I like to cook. Are you married? No, I am not. Yes, I am married. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. I am here to meet you. I am here for my work. When will you come? I will come by tomorrow. Who are you? I am John. When will you go? I will go after next week. How is your health? I am good. Do you want to go? No, I don't want to go. Yes, I want to go. Are you upset? Yes, I am upset. How long it will take you to come? I will be there in 20 minutes. I will be there in 20 minutes. Anything else? Nothing else. Why to go? Because I have an exam. Because I have a meeting to attend. Whom to meet? I am here to meet manager. I am here to meet manager. What are you playing? I am playing cricket.